So tourism in Kenya. Tourism from all over the world, tourists from all over the world visit Kenya. It is a popular tourist resort because of its weather, beautiful beaches, and a variety of wild animals. Kenya is famous because of its weather and beautiful beaches. There are so many beautiful beaches in Kenya, and there are variety of wild animals. As we have already studied in the previous classes, that Kenya has so many savannas. What are savannas? Savannas are the rainforests in Africa. There are so many savannas where there are so many wild animals. Kenya is also famous for those wild animals. So people from all over the world visit Kenya, and because of its weather, because of its beautiful beaches and variety of wild animals. Tourists go on safari to see the animals in the game parks. So the game parks are basically the safari parks where there are the wild animals. So people go to the safari parks, and how do they go to the safari parks? There are safari buses in which they used to travel through the safari parks. There is a bus where people in that bus they used to travel through the whole safari park, and they can see all the wild animals in their safety. वो आराम से जो है बस में बैठ के पूरी जो है वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को सही से देख सकते हैं. So people used to watch zebras, lions, elephants, and rhinos. These are all the wild animals which can be seen in the safari parks of Kenya. Rangers patrol the parks to protect some of the endangered animals from poachers. For example, 30 years ago, there were 20,000 black rhinos in Kenya. They are hunted for their horns. Now only 500 are left. If the animals disappear, the tourists will stay away. This would harm Kenya's tourism industry. So who are the rangers? Rangers are basically like police officers. They used to protect the wild animals in the safari parks, because what happened 30 years ago, there were 20,000 black rhinos in the safari parks. But what happened? The poachers, who are the poachers? The poachers are the one who kill the wild animals, or they used to take those wild animals along with them. So these to save those wild animals from the poachers, there are rangers to patrol them. To patrol the safari park, there are police officers, or we can say the rangers, who used to protect the safari park from these poachers. Because 30 years ago, there were 20,000 black rhinos in the safari park, but these poachers hunted these black rhinos because of their horns. They wanted their horns, so they started hunting them, and now there are only 500 rhinos left. So it is causing a huge amount to the tourist industry of Kenya. So that's why there are rangers to protect these safari parks. Local people entertain tourists with traditional dances and music. These entertainers also wear the traditional dresses to attract the tourist attention. So you can see these pictures on these pictures, that here these are the local people who are dancing, and they are wearing their traditional dresses. So the local people, how do they used to entertain the tourists? The people who are coming from other countries to visit Kenya to see the famous places here. So how they can get entertainment? They get entertainment by seeing these dances which the local people do to entertain their tourists. And as well as there are musicians as well, and they used to play their music so they can entertain the tourists. And what else? The locals also make souvenirs for the tourists to buy them. So what are the souvenirs? Souvenirs are basically, we can have the example like some of you have been to Saudi Arabia for Umrah. So वहां पर जब जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, वहां पर आप लोग अपने साथ जमजम लेकर आते हैं. तो जमजम the water of Zamzam is a souvenir which is famous, that it can only be found in Saudi Arabia. तो ऐसे ही कीनिया में भी different जगहों के there are different souvenirs, the famous things which cannot be found in any other places except these places. So the souvenirs of Kenya are these wild animals. These are the souvenirs which the local people make to show that that Kenya is famous for wild animals, so they used to make these wild animals as a souvenir. And what else? They also used to make bead ornaments and carved wooden animals. These are the wooden animals and these are the ornaments which are famous in Kenya. On the coast, holiday hotels attract people from colder countries. They make people feel welcome in this country. The beautiful beaches and coral reefs are popular holiday choices. So what are also famous in Kenya? Holiday hotels are also famous in Kenya, which attracts the tourists to come to visit here, as these holiday hotels are very beautiful. So tourists also come here from the older countries, because in Kenya it is not as much cold as in other countries. So people from the colder countries come to Kenya to enjoy the weather of Kenya, which is not very cold, and they used to enjoy the holiday hotels here as well. And there are so many beautiful beaches and coral reefs. I have already told you what are coral reefs. Coral reefs are these underground plants, underwater plants. So these plants are also very beautiful, which people used to come to Kenya and see these coral reefs here. And tourism is an important industry in Kenya. It gives local people jobs in hotels, in safari parks, as drivers making souvenirs, and as entertainers. So tourism is very important in Kenya. How it is very important? Because not only the people from all over the world came to visit these places, the popular places of Kenya, but also the local people can have jobs through tourism. How can they have jobs through tourism? They can work in the hotels. The local people can work in the hotels as a manager, as the cleaning staff, or any other thing. They can have jobs in hotels as well as in safari parks. Like they can be a driver of the safari buses, and they can be a guide as well. And the local people can have a job by making souvenirs, and they can also entertain the people by dancing and by playing music.